welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Today we're going to be doing something completely different. As far as I'm concerned, it's completely original. We're doing flame grilled smash burgers, and to do this we're using the Steel Smokin plancha that they've sent over for me to try out. So we cook the burgers on the flat side, get your nice crust on it, and then you flip them over onto the side with the holes so your fat will drip through and give you a fire kissed burger, so you get the best of both. So for smash burgers you want mince that's at least 20% fat. These are 90 gram balls that have just loosely been formed. You don't want to overwork your meat too much. So we've got our griddle nice and hot, just going on with a little bit of oil, and then we're just going to toast our buns. The key to smash burgers is making sure that you prep everything before you cook your burgers, because they really don't take very long. So now we've gone on with some onions and some mushrooms, what I'm going to have in one of my burgers. Just toss them through and get them off when they're ready. Get them on a little side plate. Then we're going on with our burgers themselves. So on with the meatballs, push them down hard as you can for roughly 10 seconds. Should give us a nice crust on the bottom. Same with the second one. You push down. And then as the colour comes up the side, this is when you want to flip. Get it over that side with the coals and watch them flames. Look at that, a nice flame kissed burger full of flavour. So at this point you want to get your cheese on, get that nice and melted, and then they're done. As I say, they really do not take very long at all. So hopefully you can hear me over the noise the next door are making. So I played the footage back, and no, you couldn't hear me over the noise from next door, and I hadn't put a wind deflector on the microphone, so you had that blowing across as well, and it really wasn't too great. So obviously I haven't got any food to show you, so we'll just talk about what we did. I really like the way that with that grill you can get your crust from your smash burger on one side and flip it over, let that fat drip through, and then you get a flare up which gives you your flame kissed burger and your more traditional burger taste that you don't get with your smash burgers. So I think it's definitely the way forward for me, because I like the texture that you get with a smash burger, but I like the flavour that you get with flame grilled. So I'm definitely going to be doing them more than any other, I think. So if you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, then please do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and thank you very much for watching.